Okay, so hey everyone, welcome back to our Python series. So in previous video we have talked about that why do we need to learn Python, why Python is so popular, what exactly Python is, right? So in this session, let's make our hands dirty. Let's now move forward towards installing the Python in your system, and let's now move forward towards writing code in your Visual Studio Code and do the setup of all, right? So before that, let's quickly discuss the agenda that we are going to follow in the upcoming days, right? So we will learn about the installation first, how we can install the system. Then we are going to learn about the compiler versus interpreter. We'll learn about the print statement. We'll learn about comments in Python, variables in Python, and in this way we will move our series forward, right? So what we're gonna do now, we are going to install this Python in your system. So you all can just come to the browser and search for download Python over there. Let's see that this is my download Python. I will just simply click on download Python 3.1.4.0. So click over there and it has been installed. You all can see that Python has been installed. So I'll just click over there and we'll proceed further. So I'll say continue. Again continue, and then it is going to ask me for certain agreement. I will see that I agree, and then I'm going to install, right? So right now it's asking me for the password, so I'll enter the password. So yes, we are going to enter the password over here, and then we are going to proceed further. Install software, and you all can see that installation has been started, right? So we will wait for it until it is done, and then we are going to move forward, right? So you can see that packages are running now, and now you all can see that Python has been installed, and all the Pythons that are all the files that is present inside the Python, that is visible to me, right? So let's see that if you want to verify that, so whether Python has been installed in my system or not, how can we verify this thing? So very simple thing, what you can do, you all can just open terminal. So I'll open terminal. Inside terminal, I simply write a command that python 3 hyphen version, right? Just write python 3 hyphen version, enter over there. You all can see that python 3.14.0. That means that the current version of Python has been installed, right? So if I talk about one more thing in Python, so you all can see that ideally file is present over there, right? So if I just click on the ideally and open it, you all can see that this is how it is looking like. So whatever code I'm going to have, let's say that if I simply write 3 plus 4 over there, and if I click enter button, you all can see that 7 is the output, right? So in this way, you all can set up Python in your system. You all can set up for your ideally in your system, right? But what we are going to do, we are going to install the VS Code as well. That is where we will be writing our complete code of the Python series, right? So for that, you all just need to visit Visual Studio Inst download. So I'm just going to Visual Studio Code download. You all can see the first one that is coming, Mac, Linux, Windows. So right now I'm using MacBook, so I'll click Mac. If you are using the Windows, you can go with the Windows as well. So simply click on this download button. It is going to be redirected, and you all can see that download has been started, right? So we will wait for it until it is going to be downloaded, and then we will move forward. All right. Okay. All right. So you all can see that it has been installed in my system. So we are going to open this VS Code now, and you all can see that again it is expanding. And so I will just open this VS Code installer in my system. So again, I will say that open it. And yes, you all can find out that yes sir, it has been installed in my system, and this is how the VS Code is looking like. All right. So everyone, if I want to work in VS Code, how can I do that? First of all, so I will go to this Explorer once, and I'll click on open folder. So for you guys, I'm going to create a new folder. So I'll just click on the new folder, name this folder as your Python, and then create folder over there. So you all can see that the Python has been created, and I'll open this. So you all can see that yes, I trust the author, and yes, this is how the VS Code is looking like. All right. So but for working in VS Code with Python, what else I need to do? I need to install extension as well. So where you can find the extension, you all can find over there that yes sir, the extension button is there. So I'll just click on extension and I'll search for Python. Okay, I will search for Python over there. And after this, you all can see that this Python is visible. I'll click on Python, and then I'm going to click on the install button. So if it is already installed, that's completely good, but it's not installed, you are supposed to install this particular extension in your system, right? So right now we are going to install this, and you all can see that this particular extension, I'll again go back to the extension once to see that whether it has been installed or not. So right now you all can see that extension has been installed. So yes, now we are ready with the setup. We are ready to code in Python, and again, welcome you all in Python. And now we are going to write our code, first code, that's how exactly we can write things in Python. So as I told you that whenever we are going to work in Python, the very first thing is that the name of Python file should be with .py extension. extension, right? Because we want to tell our terminal, our basically VS Code that this is my Python file, right? So I'll just click enter. You all can see that this first.py has been created for me, right? So let's say that if I want to write the very first thing, that whenever we learn any programming language, the very first thing is that we want to say the hello to this programming language, right? So for that, what I'm going to write, we are going to write a simple print, and we are going to simply write a hello world. All right, hello world. Just click on this down at this run button. You all can see over here a run button is there. Click over there, and you all can see that hello world is the output that is visible to us, right? So this is how you all can set up Python in your system. This is how we are going to work in Python system. So stay connected with us. In the next video, we are going to talk about variables. We'll talk about the comments. We'll talk about further more interesting things in the Python. So thank you for watching, everyone. Take care.